Okay, class, this is lecture number 3rd. We are going to discuss exercise 12C. Very simple exercise because of the multiplication. We have to just focus on the sign of multiplication. Otherwise, the exercise is very simple. Okay. First question, first part. 12xy into 8. First of all, multiply 12 with 8. 12 into minus 8, that is minus 96. Then, what is the main thing is that x and x to the power 1, y to the power 1, and x to the power 2. So, x to the power 1 plus 2, so x to the power 3, because same base, so power will be added, and y to the power 1, so y. So, answer is minus 96 x to y. Third question is minus 3 by 5 a square b square into 10. Okay, first of all we have to simplify. Before multiplication we have to first of all simplify. 5 to the 10 and 3 9 the 27. So minus sign is with this, so minus 2 by 9. First of all you have to write the numerical factor. Then a square plus 1, so a cube, because 2 plus 1 3, and 2 plus 4, so b to the power 6. Again very simple question. Now we have to multiply again. 11 5 ja and 8 3 ja 24. So multiplication or numerical factor is 3 by 5, and with plus sign, because this is minus minus, that is plus. X to the power 1 plus 4 x to the power 5 and y cube. This is the answer. Very simple question. Okay, also this question is not as per the exam, because very simple question, and the chances of this question will come into exam is very low. We now question number second, first part. 6x minus 5 multiply with minus 3x. First of all we have to multiply minus 3x with 6x, like this. Minus 3x into 6x, then we have to multiply minus 3x with minus 5, then minus 5 into minus 3x. Okay, this is the way of multiplication, or you can sort out this multiplication like directly multiply these number. Okay, 3 into 6, that is minus 18, because minus sign and plus. Minus 18 x square minus minus plus, again minus plus, so plus 15x is the answer. Okay, now third part is somehow important. Okay, let us see. 3, first of all we have to multiply this factor with this. Minus 4 into 3, minus 12. Okay, a square and a cube, a to the power 5, x cube x square, so x to the power 5, and remaining term is y, so y. Now again multiply minus plus 16 a and a square, a cube, then y square and y cube, and x square, so x square y cube. Now the last term is minus 7 into 24, minus 28. Okay, a square into a square, a to the power 4. Okay, then x square, then y and y, so x square and y square. This is the answer. Very simple. Just you have to focus on the multiplication of sign is very important, otherwise the terms are very simple. Now question number third, second part. First part is a homework. Okay, very simple question, because both are in plus sign. 2a plus 5 and 3a minus 6. Multiply first of all 2a with 3a. 2 into 3, 6, and a into a square. Then 2a with minus 6, so 2 into minus 6, minus 12 a, and 5 into 3, 15 a, then minus 6 into 3, minus 30. Now we have to just simplify. Okay, minus 15a minus 12a, 3a minus 30 is the answer. Okay, now fourth part. In this part we have to multiply the 3 terms with 2 terms. Okay, first of all we have to multiply 6 with this 3. 6 into 3, 18 x square and x cube, then minus 11x with 3, so minus 33 x square, then 7 with 3, 7 3 are 21x, minus 4 into 6, 24 x square, plus minus and minus plus, so plus 44x minus 28. Okay, 18x cube, no other term of x cubic. This is the cubic equation and there is no other cubic terms. Okay, so we will directly write it as 18x cube, then x square. The terms of x square is 24 and 33, so we have total minus 57. Okay, minus 57, so minus 57 x square then 21x plus 44, 21 plus 44, that is 65, x minus 28 is the answer. Now sixth part. In this case again we have 3 term and 2 term. Just you have to focus on the multiplication with sign. Sign is very important, otherwise your answer will be wrong. Okay, a to the power 4 a square, so a to the power 6, a to the power 4 b square, so plus a to the power 4 b square. Now second term multiply with these two terms, minus a square a to the power 4 b square. Okay, again this multiply with this, minus a square b to the power 4, then the third term b to the power 4 a square, then b to the power 4 and b square, so b to the power 6. Now we have to simplify. A to the power 6, a to the power 4 and a to the power there is any term, yes, a to the power 4 b square, a to the power 4 b square, and a square b to the power 4 b to the power 4. So plus minus these two cancel and plus minus these two also cancel, so answer is a to the power 6 plus b to the power 6. Okay, question number 4. Here we have again 3 into 3, 3 term into 3 term. Okay, the same procedure, we have to just multiply this. Okay, तो मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं a with a square, a minus b minus ab, a minus c minus ac, minus b minus a minus ab, minus b minus b minus b square, minus b plus bc, ca ac, okay, cb minus bc, and cc minus c square. Okay, we have a square minus b square minus c square and minus ab minus ab, so minus 2ab. Okay, minus ac plus ac cancel, plus bc minus bc cancel, minus ac minus ac cancel, and bc minus bc cancel. So answer is a square minus b square minus 2ab, a square minus b square minus 2ab minus c square. This is not the perfect square. Okay, a square plus b square minus 2ab होता तब हम लिखते a minus b whole square. This is not the formula of that, okay, identity. Sorry, there is a mistake done by me, that minus b is plus b square. Very sorry, ab plus b square a plus. अब हम इसको आइडेंटिटी फॉर्म में लिख सकते हैं. कैसे, तो मैं आपको बताता हूँ. a माइनस बी होल स्क्वायर जो आइडेंटिटी होती है वो होती है ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर माइनस 2ab. तो हम इसको अब इस फॉर्म में लिख सकते हैं, ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर माइनस 2ab, तो a माइनस बी होल स्क्वायर माइनस सी स्क्वायर. ओके, फर्दर इसको फिर से सिंप्लीफाई कर सकते हैं. कैसे, ए स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर के फॉर्म में लिख के, वो फर्दर मैं आपको बताऊँगा कैसे करना है. Okay, now fourth part. Okay, second part is your homework. Okay, you have to do that part in your clear copy. Fourth part discuss करते हैं. 3x to the power 4 with x square, so 3x की power 6, power 4 power 2. ठीक है, 3 minus 9 x to the power 5, 3 into 4 12 x to the power 4, minus x square with x square, minus x to the power 4 minus x square with this plus 3x cube minus 4x square, 6 plus ये 6x cube, 6 into 3 minus 18x square, 6 into 4 plus 24x minus 7x square. Okay, minus 7 minus 3 plus 21x minus 3 into minus 3 plus 21x minus 7 into minus 1. Please do not go through these shortcuts in this type of question, otherwise you will definitely wrong somewhere. Okay, जैसे मेरे से यहाँ पे गलती हुई थी, माइनस बी स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर हो गया. सो दिस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन यू हैव टू जस्ट फोकस ऑन द प्रोसीजर and follow the same procedure for all type of question. Okay, don't go through the shortcuts. Okay, 3 to the power 6 x to the power 6, only one term with power 6. अब हमको 5 पावर देखनी है. 5 पावर just check, fifth power, no fifth power, so you have to just write down the minus 9 x to the power 5. Okay, x to the power 4, x to the power 4, and yes, only 2, so 12 minus 1 plus 11 x to the power 4. Now x cube, x cube, x cube, x cube, and just 2 terms, so 3 plus 6, that is 9 x to the power 3. Now minus x, sorry, 4x square and minus 18 minus 4 minus 22 x square, sorry, one more term we have, minus 7, 22 minus 7 minus 29 x square. Okay, so these all are sorted out. Now the terms is with x to the power 1, x to the power 1, 24 plus 21, it is 45x, okay, minus 20. So this is the answer of this question. Okay, question number 5, we are just going to discuss this question, and this is the way of simplification how we can solve. Minus 3 into 7 minus 21 x square, minus 3 into 4 plus 12x, okay, plus 6x minus 13, okay, minus plus 24x square, 24x square minus 11x 21x square, that is 3x square, 12 plus 6 18x minus 13 is the answer. Okay. Okay, thank you so much. We will discuss the next in the next lecture. Okay, thank you.